Teacher R.S. Khan Jadoon, subject Mathematics, class Metric Federal Board, topic quadratic formula derivation, lecture second, exercise 1.2. Objective: students will be able to now how can derive quadratic formula, and now about the completing square method. Quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a standard quadratic equation. Quadratic formula: x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Class work exercise 1.1 quadratic formula 1.3.1.3.1 derivation of quadratic formula by using completing square method. Proof: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard quadratic equations. Variable a is divided each terms ax square upon a plus bx upon a and plus c upon a is equal to 0. C upon a shift from the right hand side, and sign will be changed. Minus c upon a. X square plus bx upon 2a is equal to minus c upon a. We check completing square: x square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b square. This equation, how can we add it? Then get the perfect square. First we check the bx upon a value with according to formula x square plus 2, a value is x, b value is b upon 2a is equal to minus c upon a. 2 is a balancing form. The equation 2 cancel for each other. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. B upon ax is the value of above equation. Adding b upon 2a, the values of b upon 2a whole square is adding both sides, then get the perfect square. B upon 2a values added in the both sides. We see that the value x square plus 2x b upon 2a plus b upon 2a square. If a is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to the a plus b whole square, convert this formula is equal to a plus b whole square, making formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Left hand side I have that a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then make the formula is a plus b square. X, a value is x, b value is b upon 2a, b value is b upon 2a, and whole square is equal to minus c upon a plus b upon 2a square. B square is equal to b square, and 2 square is a 4, and a square is a square. So we are taking square root both sides. X plus b upon 2a whole square and root are cancelled for each other, equal to arrange the b square minus c upon a plus b square upon 4a square. Taking LCM, 4a square and a is equal to 4a square is the LCM. 4a multiplied with the c and 4a square is also the LCM. Then no any number or multiply the b. X plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. 4a square root is 2a. X plus b upon 2a shift to the right hand side, minus b upon 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Taking LCM, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Exercise 1.2 is a whole exercise of 1.2 is 10 question number 1, 10 parts. First part we can be solved. Question number 1. Solve the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula 2 minus x squared is equal to 7x. Make this equation by standard form of quadratic equation. Equation solved by the quadratic formula 2 minus x squared is equal to 7x. First, we change this equation by standard form of the quadratic equation. X squared plus 7x minus 2. X squared shift to the right hand side, x squared minus 7x, 2 shift from the right hand, minus 2 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1, standard quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, then get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 2. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 2. Using quadratic formula, putting the value minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Putting the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 2 in the quadratic formula. X is equal to b value is 7 plus minus b value is 7 whole square minus 4. A value is 1, c value is minus 2 upon a value is 1. 2 multiply a 1. Minus 7 is a 7 plus minus 7 square is a 49. 4 1 is a 4. 4 2 is a 8 minus plus 4 2 is a 8. Minus 7 plus minus under root 49 plus 48 is equal to 2. 49 plus 8 is equal to 57. X solution set. X belong to the minus 7 plus under root 57 upon 2 and minus 7 minus under root 57 upon 2. This is the answer of this question. Exercise work. Exercise number 1, class work. Example, solve quadratic formula. X plus 1 upon x plus x upon x plus 1 is equal to 25 by 12. First, we change this equation by a standard quadratic equation. Equation solved by quadratic formula x plus 1 upon x plus x upon x plus 1 is equal to 25 by 12. If taking the LCM, the denominator are changed, they are cross multiplication of each other. X plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1, x plus 1 whole square, and x multiplied by the x is equal to x square. X are multiply the x plus 1. It is LCM of the equation. X multiply the x plus 1 multiply the x plus 1 and x multiply the x. X plus x and x plus 1 are multiply of each other and put in the denominator. X plus 1 are x plus 1 whole square. When apply the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A value is x, b value is 1. When putting the value of the formula, a square is the x square plus 2, a value is x and b value is 1 plus 1 square. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square upon x square plus x1. X square and x1 is x. The formula a plus b whole square are apply the first term of the above denominator. X plus 1 whole square x square plus 2x1 plus 1 square. X square and x square added 2x square plus 2x plus 1. They are multiply each other. 12 is multiply 2x square plus 2x plus 1 and x square plus x multiply the 25. 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 12 1s are 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 12 1s are 12. 25x are 25x square and 25x are 25. Left hand side, all elements are come into the right hand side. 25x square minus 24x square, 25x square minus 24x square plus 12 is equal to minus 12 is equal to 0. x square plus x minus 12, 25 minus 24 is equal to the x square plus 25x minus 24x is equal to x minus 12 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Standard coordinate equation is this. A value is 1, B value is 1, C value is minus 12. Comparing equation 1 and 2, A value is 1, B's value is 1, C value is minus 2, 12. Using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Putting the value of above, b value is 1 plus minus b value is 1 whole square minus 4 bracket a value is 1, c value is minus 12. Minus minus plus 4 12 48. The value 2a denominator in the denominator 2 a value is 1. X is equal to minus 1 is 1 plus minus 1 square minus minus plus 4 12 is 48. 48 and 1 is 49. Minus 1 plus minus under root 49 upon 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 49 is 7 is equal to minus 1 plus 7 upon 2. There are two roots, comma, minus 1 minus 7 upon 2 equal to minus 7, 1 plus 7 is equal to 6 upon 2 minus 1 minus 7 is equal to 2 upon 2 equal to minus 8 upon 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 3 minus 4. The solution set x belong to the minus 4 comma 3. Homework: do complete remaining